Hello, CSSR Champ users. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export submitted data from your end-of-year financial report in Champ. All right, so let's take a look in Champ. So this is your end-of-year report. Let's say you wanted to export your statement of net position data. You'd go ahead and navigate to statement of net position right here. I already have it open, so let's hop over there. So at the top of the screen, you'll see this export button, top right. Go ahead and click that. You're going to get two options. You can export as a formatted report or a details only. For details only, you'll be able to do Excel or CSV. And I'll show you both. I already have them both open. So this is a formatted report. It closely resembles what you see in the web page. And this is an example of the detailed report. It's more flat and tabular. So it's up to you which one you want to use. But that's how it works for all schedules. And that's it. So we'll see you in the next video.